Welcome to Canary Bungalow. Book your stay easily by scanning the QR code appearing on screen or checking the description box below for a direct link. Nestled on Phu Quoc Island, Canary Bungalow is a 5-star oasis, perfect for both relaxation and adventure. We're located just 4 kilometers from the city center, giving you easy access to local attractions while offering a peaceful retreat. Getting here is a breeze, with the airport only a 20-minute drive away. We have 11 elegantly designed rooms, ensuring a comfortable and intimate experience for every guest. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, and checkout is at a convenient 12 p.m. Canary Bungalow welcomes families, and children aged 1 to 6 can stay free of charge. Enjoy complimentary breakfast to start your day, and take advantage of our free parking. We also offer express check-in for your convenience. Experience the best of Phu Quoc Island at Canary Bungalow. To book your stay, don't forget to scan the QR code.